Do you have a ton of costume jewelry that you don't know what to do with? I know that I do. I was searching Pinterest trying to find some ideas for upcycling old jewelry, and I ran across over 50 different ideas to get inspiration from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really neat ideas on this list, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below, and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes, I'll recreate one of the winning ideas. I am so excited for today's video. I just ran across a ton of female clay, and I'm looking to see what types of projects you would like to do with me using the polymer clay. So as usual, these are from the wonderful creators at Etsy, and be sure to visit that website. These beautiful and creative pieces are made by making long tubes with the clay and then placing accordingly to make the picture. This turns out to be a long piece of clay with the picture right in front. This type of female project takes a lot of time and it takes major talent, but I think that we can get there if we try hard enough. So let's make that our goal. Write in the comments that you want to get there, you want to be able to do the cool stuff. Then they take and cut the clay into 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch rounds to create dozens of the same design. You can use a mold or freeform for this beautiful pendant. Placing all the intricate details would be done with some sculpting tools that you can buy for fairly inexpensive at Amazon. I'll leave a link to the entire set of polymer clay that also comes with the tools. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It would definitely take some skill and time to master the creation of this, but once again, I think that we'll get there, so let's just stick with me and let's make some cool polymer clay stuff. Okay, I don't know if this was made freehand or with a mold, but regardless, it is definitely over the top and I love it. Wow, such a great yet simple idea. I really want to make some of these. You could use them on bracelets or make necklaces or make pendants with them or make wind chimes. There's just so many things you could do. So this is going to be one of the first things that we create together. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the thumbs up because it really helps the channel. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, I publish videos about wigs, furniture refurbishing, fashion, and all things creative, crafty, and cute. So go ahead and hit subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. They get a little crazy sometimes. I think these are so gorgeous. It appears that the clay was placed in an intricate mold. I would imagine the clay was black and then they went over it with a white dry brush or an antique gold dry brush. Before placing the clay in the oven, be sure that you make the hole for hanging. It's so fun to make different bead variations with different colors of Fimo. Fimo makes it really easy to do that, and in my future videos I'm going to show you how. We're not quite done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, I publish videos about wigs, furniture refurbishing, fashion, and all things creative. So go ahead and hit subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell like I said earlier. And I want to make sure that you don't miss an upload. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything about the videos, go ahead and ask them in the comments, or you can also reach me at my Instagram, which is Ms. Angela Sawyer. Thank you again so much for watching, and you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out.